Hi everyone, my name is Bernadette, and in today's video, I'll be talking about an exciting opportunity for rideshare drivers looking to take their careers to the next level, transitioning from rideshare to running a private tour business. This is a great way to use your driving experience, local knowledge, and customer service skills to build a profitable and fulfilling career. Let's get started. Why transition to private tours? If you've been driving for rideshare platforms, you already have some of the key skills needed to excel in private tours. Unlike rideshare, private tours offer higher earning potential as you can set your own rates and earn more per trip. They also provide greater flexibility and control, allowing you to choose your schedule and the clients you work with. Additionally, private tours offer a personalized experience where you can build connections with clients and offer unique insights about your city, making the job rewarding and memorable. Private tours are in demand, especially in popular travel destinations, giving you the chance to stand out by offering an unforgettable experience. Step 1. Evaluate your skills and resources. Start by assessing the skills you already have. Your experience as a rideshare driver has given you excellent driving skills, navigation expertise, familiarity with local landmarks and attractions, and strong customer service abilities. Next, think about the resources you'll need, such as a clean, comfortable vehicle that's suitable for tours. Ensure your vehicle is well maintained and large enough to accommodate your clients comfortably. Step 2. Plan your tour offerings. Decide what kind of tours you want to offer. Popular options include city tours that highlight the history, culture, and iconic landmarks in your area, specialty tours focusing on themes like food, art, history, or nature, and custom tours where clients can create their own itineraries. Research your target audience to understand what they're looking for. Tourists often value local knowledge, so focus on providing insider tips and unique experiences they can't find elsewhere. Um, Step 3, build your brand and online presence. To attract clients, you'll need a professional image and an online presence. Start by creating a memorable business name and logo that reflect your services. Design a website using tools like Canva to showcase your tours, pricing, and contact information. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to post photos, videos, and testimonials. Finally, register your business and check local regulations and licensing requirements to operate legally. Step 4, market your services. Marketing is key to finding clients. Partner with hotels, travel agencies, and local businesses. List your tours on platforms like TripAdvisor or Viator, ask satisfied clients for reviews and referrals, and offer promotions or discounts to attract your first clients. Word of mouth and positive reviews will go a long way in building your reputation. Tips. Step 5, deliver an unforgettable experience. Once you have clients, focus on providing excellent service. Greet them warmly, keep your vehicle spotless, and go the extra mile to make their experience special. Personal touches, like sharing interesting stories or offering complimentary water, can make a big difference. Happy clients are more likely to leave glowing reviews and recommend you to others. Transitioning from rideshare to private tours is an exciting opportunity to grow your career, earn more, and create meaningful experiences for travelers. If this sounds like the right move for you, start planning today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your questions or ideas. If you need our help, reach us at drivologicfleet@gmail.com.